A system administrator can deactivate a user in the Management Center. Users cannot be deleted from the website. A deactivated user will lose their access and their roles, and they will appear in the deactivated users list. To deactivate a user in the Management Center, click the cog icon in the upper right-hand corner. This will take you to the uPerform administration settings. In the Users menu, locate the user you would like to deactivate. You can use the filter text field to assist with finding the user. Once found, click on the user's name. Click Deactivate. The user will lose access to the website and their roles. Click the Users menu or Back to return to the All Users list. To view the deactivated users list, click the first All filter drop-down. Select Deactivated. Deactivated users can be reactivated by clicking on the user's name. Click the user's name. Click Activate to reactivate the user. Reactivated users have no roles, so an administrator will need to reassign their roles.